If you're anything like me, you're constantly searching in your effects panel in Premiere, and I search the same effects again and again, so I'm constantly typing in the same words again and again. And there's an easier way to access these effects that you use all the time, and that's by creating your own custom bin here. So if I right-click within this panel, I can create a new custom bin, and I can name this whatever I want. So I'm going to call it favorites. And now I can search all my favorite effects and put them in this bin and then open up the bin and have it accessible all the time while working. So I don't have to type things out constantly. So the ones that I use a lot include blur. So a Gaussian blur, I'm going to click that and drag it into my favorites. And now I'll search a couple more. I use color replace a lot. I use flip horizontal a lot. I use Ultra Key quite often, so I'm going to drag that into favorites. And now if I clear out my search box and drop down my favorites, I have all my favorites right there. So now I can easily apply them and I don't have to type anything out when I do. I hope this helped you guys. This is super convenient and a great way to work efficiently. So if you found this useful, check out my playlist in Premiere with more tips like this. And thanks for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.